Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change lock screen pattern in your vivo phone. Guys, you want to change, so guys you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change lock screen pattern in vivo phone. So guys, first of all guys, come in your phone setting to change lock screen pattern. Scroll it guys, and guys you can see the security settings. So guys, click here, screen lock, draw your old pattern guys which you have, and guys again click on pattern. So I draw unlock pattern. So we will change different type pattern. So guys we will take this guys, confirm. So guys, let's see guys pattern has changed or not. So guys, old pattern was guys this u, and guys current pattern is v. So I hope friends you have understood how to change pattern in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.